Hi everyone, in today's video, we're taking you on a bird's eye tour of one of Scotland's most amazing locations, the Kelpies. Get ready to enjoy stunning aerial views of these incredible sculptures from a whole new perspective. Before you dive into the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with more epic content. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. The Kelpies are a pair of towering, 30-metre high horsehead sculptures located in the Helix Park near Falkirk, Scotland. These towering steel giants aren't just impressive for their size, they're also engineering marvels. Each head rests on a super strong 1,200-ton concrete foundation and is covered with 900 shiny stainless steel scales that make them gleam. Weighing a massive 300 tons each, these sculptures were put together on site in just 90 days, showcasing incredible skill and efficiency. Designed by Scottish sculptor Andy Scott, these stunning artworks are a tribute to the country's rich heritage of working horses that once powered Scotland's canals, agriculture, and industry. The Kelpies are inspired by two real Clydesdale horses named Duke and Baron. Duke, the one on the left, has a gentle downward gaze, while Baron, on the right, stands with a proud and commanding presence. These sculptures honor the powerful and majestic qualities of these real-life horses, bringing their spirit to life in stunning steel. The sculptures, made of 300 tons of steel, beautifully capture the essence of the mythical Kelpies from Scottish folklore. According to these ancient stories, a Kelpie is a shape-shifting water spirit that can disguise itself as a horse on land. It often appears as a striking grey or white horse, luring unsuspecting people with its seemingly friendly demeanour. Once someone climbs onto its back, the Kelpie reveals its true nature, suddenly charging towards the nearest water, dragging its rider down into the depths, where they are drowned and lost forever. These legends paint the Kelpie as a cunning and dangerous creature, embodying the wild and unpredictable nature of Scotland's rivers and lochs. Through these awe-inspiring sculptures, we get a glimpse of this mythical being, while also honouring the real-life heavy horses that were once essential to Scotland's heritage. The Kelpies stand as a powerful blend of folklore and history, celebrating both the magic and the might of Scotland's past. Best of all, visiting the Kelpies is completely free. You might only need to pay for parking, but there's no charge to marvel at these magnificent works of art. Parking is free at the Helix car park. Now, please enjoy these amazing drone shots of the stunning Kelpies. If you know any interesting facts about the Kelpies, or just want to share your thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to discover more beautiful spots in Scotland. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.